Vietnam-Germany Hydrogen Workshop, Promoting Hydrogen Infrastructure Development in Vietnam ***. With the theme of developing strategies and partnerships to build hydrogen infrastructure in Vietnam, the Vietnam-Germany Hydrogen Conference will take place on August 1 in Ho Chi Minh City. The event is organized by the Vietnam Hydrogen Club, VAHC, and the German Development Cooperation Agency, GIZ, on the occasion of the German delegation from Minh and Esser Group visiting Vietnam. The head of the delegation is Ms. Stephanie Peters, CEO of Minh and Esser. Ms. Stephanie is also a member of the German National Hydrogen Council. The workshop aims to share experiences in developing hydrogen projects between Germany and international partners and Vietnam to promote the development of the hydrogen industry in Vietnam. Mr. Minh, president of VAHC, said, "Hydrogen plays an important role in overcoming the climate crisis. Decarbonizing the economy to achieve climate neutrality is one of the biggest challenges facing humanity in the coming decades. This can be achieved by switching to renewable energy and by linking the energy, industry, buildings, and mobility sectors. At the same time, electricity production from renewables such as wind and solar is inconsistent, requiring reliable and cost-effective storage and transport of large amounts of energy. Large-scale decarbonization can only be successful if these basic requirements are met. Hydrogen provides these capabilities in a near-ideal way, and it can also be used as a base material or reaction partner in the process industry." Mr. Minh stated that Vietnam has a large capacity for solar and wind energy, so it has ideal conditions for producing green hydrogen. Therefore, at the workshop, the parties will discuss the issue of hydrogen infrastructure development strategy in Vietnam as well as the goal of forming partnerships for hydrogen projects in Vietnam. The conference will feature presentations from leading German hydrogen companies and experts. Ms. Stephanie Peters will present the German hydrogen strategy and roadmap and cooperation possibilities with Vietnam, green finance, technology support, hydrogen supply opportunities, etc. Minh and Esser Group will present its strengths in supporting hydrogen infrastructure and international projects in ASEAN and its business orientation in Vietnam. On the VAHC side, Dr. Thomas Trung, Deputy General Director of VATEC Consulting, will present on Vietnam's strategy, roadmap, and proposal for infrastructure development and hydrogen strategy. VAHC member Ms. Miho Nishida, Chief Representative of Kawasaki Vietnam, will present on Japan's hydrogen innovation, the case of Kawasaki heavy industries that can be applied in Vietnam, along with a number of presentations from German and Vietnamese enterprises. The discussion session on hydrogen business opportunities in Vietnam will include representatives from VAHC, GIZ, clean hydrogen consuming enterprises, bank representatives, and green credit insurance companies. The discussions will focus on the following contents: opportunities from Vietnam's National Hydrogen Strategy 2030, Vision 2050, opportunities to build hydrogen infrastructure, opportunities to develop renewable energy sources, wind, solar, biomass, green finance opportunities, ways to sell green hydrogen to domestic, ASEAN, and EU buyers, as well as cooperation between German and Vietnamese partners to implement green hydrogen projects in Vietnam. According to VAHC, the results of the workshop will help German and Vietnamese partners to jointly study the feasibility of implementing hydrogen production and consumption projects in Vietnam for the chemical industry, garment manufacturing, beverage industry consuming plastic packaging, iron and steel industry, and establish partnerships to implement pilot models of electricity production and transportation services. Currently, VAHC is completing a feasibility study report on establishing a demonstration project to produce clean hydrogen to serve fuel cell hydrogen buses, and is negotiating with a series of international partners on funding and implementation. We are currently researching to implement demonstration clean hydrogen production projects to produce electricity, to serve manufacturing industries that need clean steam, and to serve zero-emission transportation, added Mr. Minh.